आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनकही कहानियाँ। आइए हम सुने विज्ञान की अनसुनी कहानियाँ। एक नई दुनिया की आवाज़ आपकी आवाज़, विज्ञान की आवाज़, की आवाज़।
Celebrating Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav, we bring you all a podcast series on STEM popularization. That is, science, technology, engineering, mathematics, and medicine. Supported and catalyzed by the National Council for Science and Technology Communication, the Government of India. Program is produced by Media for Community Foundation. Creative content and technical support is given by Farzeen Sultan.
एक नई दुनिया की आवाज़ आपकी आवाज़, विज्ञान की आवाज़, की आवाज़, की आवाज़।
आज के समय में जहां हमारी एडवांसमेंट अलग अलग क्षेत्रों में बढ़ रही है, वहीं पर हमारी सिक्योरिटीज़ भी वक्त के साथ बेहतर हुई है और आए दिन इसमें भी कई नए प्रकार के इम्प्रूवमेंट्स हमें देखने को मिलते हैं। सुरक्षा प्रणाली हमारे घरों, कार्यालयों और अन्य महत्वपूर्ण स्थानों की सुरक्षा के लिए आवश्यक है। वर्षों से इन प्रणालियों को अधिक परिष्कृत और प्रभावी बनाने के लिए नई सामग्रियों और प्रौद्योगिकियों का विकास किया गया है। आज के शो में हम सुरक्षा प्रणाली में सामग्री विकास के नवीनतम रुझानों और नवाचारों का पता लगाएंगे। हम हमारे विशेषज्ञ से जानेंगे कि कैसे नई सामग्री अनुप्रयोग सुरक्षा प्रणालियों को अधिक मजबूत, टिकाऊ और प्रभावी बना रही है। सामग्री विकास सुरक्षा प्रणाली की क्षमताओं को लगातार बदल रहा है। नई सामग्री के विकास से सुरक्षा प्रणाली अधिक मजबूत और प्रभावी है। तो दोस्तों, सुरक्षा प्रणाली में सामग्री विकास की रोमांचक यात्रा में शामिल हों और भविष्य की सुरक्षा प्रणालियों के बारे में जानते हैं। और इसी पर चर्चा करने के लिए आज हमारे साथ मौजूद हैं ARCI हैदराबाद सेंटर फॉर कार्बन मटेरियल्स में साइंटिस्ट F पर कार्यरत डॉक्टर संजय R ढगे।
सबसे पहले जानेंगे ARCI हैदराबाद में कार्यरत साइंटिस्ट F संजय R ढगे के बारे में।
So, Namaskar. I'm Dr. Sanjay Dage, Scientist F at Center for International Advanced Research Center for Powder Metallurgy and New Materials in Hyderabad. We are an autonomous R&D center of Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. So, at ARCI, I'm working in Center for Carbon Materials in the area of materials development for sensor application. So, the main focus of my work is to develop a transparent trackpad for its application in security system.
अब जानेंगे इनके रिसर्च को आम व्यक्ति कैसे समझ सकता है।
So today the portable and wearable personal electronics and smart security system are accelerating the development of transparent, flexible and thin film electronic devices. So especially a touch activated transparent security system is in demand for homes, offices, parks, various public places because of its ease of integration with the Internet of Things based modern day technology. So a standalone device with a touch sensing trackpad integrated with the security system can be effectively used for simple and reliable touch activated security system. So the existing security system based on the access mechanism like a fingerprint, card key or pin code base is very expensive and has a limited success. So to make such kind of security system more adaptable, cost effective, some factors such as economy, efficiency, compatibility and probability, also durability of the design and the fabrication process is required to consider carefully for its real-time application and its commercial success. The most commonly used thin film for the application in touch sensor device is transparent conducting oxide, so which has very high electrical conductivity and the high transmission in the visible light. So the existing TCO technology of a touch sensing comprises in two stages. One is the thin film deposition on large area by sputtering in vacuum, followed by structuring by the lithographic to outline the desired pattern of a transparent electrode. So this two-stage process is basically complex, and it requires a lot of time and huge wastage of material during this process. So considering the challenges in existing technology, our prime focus is to design and develop transparent, flexible, robust touch sensor trackpad utilizing low cost and the materials and process. So here we are using inkjet printing of zinc oxide nanomaterial to create a transparent trackpad and further process it in the ambient condition to achieve the electrical conductivity and transmittance in this material. So here we are targeting for a prototype development and its demonstration for the application in the touch activated transparent security system. So this would support in a potential technology demonstration in the area of the touch sensing trackpad with new materials and process.
सर की ये रिसर्च स्टेम पॉपुलराइजेशन और कॉमन मैन के लिए कैसे उपयोगी है, आइए जानते हैं.
See, the transparent, flexible and thin film electronic devices offers a range of potential benefit for both common man as well as the India as a whole. So these devices are part of the broader field of flexible electronics and have numerous application and advantages in wearable devices like the health monitoring devices, environmental devices or the wearable devices. Especially a touch activated transparent security system is in demand for houses, offices, parks and various public places because of its ease of integration with the Internet of Things based modern day technology.
अब जानते हैं इनकी पूर्व, भविष्य और वर्तमान रिसर्च क्या हैं.
So in the past, I worked on thin film solar cells, which is basically an inorganic solar cell having a total thickness of the solar cell 10 times smaller than the human hair. I have also worked on metal and transparent conducting oxide thin films for various electrode applications for the electronic devices. And presently I am working on the materials development for sensor application, and my future plan is to focus more on the various sensor technology using the carbon nanomaterials and the carbon fiber technology.
इंडिया ग्लोबली कहाँ रैंक करता है सर की रिसर्च में, आइए उनसे जानते हैं.
Yeah, to the best of my knowledge, there is no specific global ranking for India's position in the development and adoption of these transparent, flexible, thin film electronic devices. India has been making strides in the field of electronics and technology. There are various initiatives, research projects and collaborations aimed at advancing flexible, thin film electronics. The Indian government has been promoting research and development in this sector through initiatives like Make in India or Digital India program, which aim to boost the domestic electronic manufacturing and technology innovations. So India has several research institutions and universities that are actively involved in research related to flexible and thin film electronic devices. In addition, Indian companies and startups have shown interest in developing and commercializing these technologies for various applications, including the consumer electronics, healthcare, renewable energy, etc.
अब जानेंगे इनकी रिसर्च में इन्होंने कितने पेटेंट फाइल किए हैं.
We have one patent applied to the Indian Patent Office.
चलिए अब जानते हैं इंडिया के इस फील्ड में कौन कौन कॉम्पिटिटर्स हैं और कंटेम्प्रेरीज हैं.
There are several leading companies and organizations worldwide are at the forefront of transparent, flexible and thin film electronic devices that do the development and manufacturing. Some of the prominent companies and organizations are like Samsung, LG Display, BOE Technology Group, Applied Materials, FlexEnable, Cativa, etc. Similarly, there are several companies and research institutes in the country are actively involved in various aspects of transparent, flexible and thin film electronics like FlexEnable, Indian Institute of Technology Lab, Thin Film Electronics India, Nanometrics Material, RICO India, etc.
ARCI में अगर कोई व्यक्ति आना चाहे या फेलोशिप करना चाहे तो उसके लिए उसे क्या करना होगा या वो कैसे आ सकता है, आइए अब सर से ये जानते हैं.
We have several programs like we have the Junior Research and Senior Research Fellow program in ARCI. If you are GET qualified or CSIR NET qualified, they can directly apply to our advertisement and they can be recruited here as a JRF. And using this JRF fellowship scholarship, they can register for a PhD, they can do research and get a PhD from the university or IITs wherein we have MOUs with them. And another program, it's a short term, this is called graduate trainee program. So the student can come here after their masters or even the BTech degree, and they can spend here about a year. We will pay them some monthly numeration, and with that they can stay here for 1 year, get exposure, get experience of the research here, and then they can apply outside.
इंडियन इंडस्ट्री में हम खुद को कहाँ देख रहे हैं इस रिसर्च लेवल पर, आइए सर से जानते हैं।
So as I said, the Indian industry has shown a growing interest and involvement in the field of transparent, flexible and thin film electronic devices. Although it may not be as prominent as the other countries, but the Indian industry is associated with these technologies through R&Ds, manufacturing and production, the startups and innovation and the skill development. The country's industry is gradually recognizing the significance of these transparent, flexible, thin films and electronic devices in various sectors, and with the continued support from the government initiatives and increased collaboration with the international partners, India can play a more significant role in the development and application of these technologies. So in our project, prototype development and demonstration for its application in touch-activated transparent security system would support the potential technology development in the area of touch sensing, trackpads with new materials and development.
कार्यक्रम के अंत में जानेंगे इनको कितने अवार्ड से सम्मानित किया गया है, इन्होंने अभी तक अपने कितने रिसर्च पेपर पब्लिश किए हैं।
Since I joined PhD in the year 2000, finished in 2005, so I started publishing from 2001 onwards. Until date, on my name there are 70 publications, research publications, and 2 patents I have applied for, and there are some reports I have done in my career till now. In 2019, I am recognized as the researcher in the solar energy material in the country. And the one more recognition in the Scopus, which is the index website of the publication. So there in the country, I am recognized as India's leading researcher in the CIGS thin film solar cell. Thank you so much for your time, and thank you so much for this opportunity.
आज के कार्यक्रम में बस इतना ही। अब बारी है हमारे साइंटिफिक फैक्ट की। ट्रांसपेरेंट सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम अलग अलग तरीकों से कार्य करते हैं। इनमें से एक मुख्य प्रकार है स्पेसिफिक वेवलेंथ टारगेट टाइप का। ये सिस्टम अक्सर नियर इंफ्रारेड लाइट यानी NIR को लक्षित करते हैं, जो मानव आंखों के लिए अदृश्य है, लेकिन मानव शरीर जैसे ताप स्रोतों द्वारा आसानी से उत्सर्जित होता है। हम उम्मीद करते हैं आपको हमारा कार्यक्रम बहुत पसंद आया होगा। तो अब हमें दीजिए अनुमति। नमस्कार।